Oh,
Oh, get the tongue. So big.
sounds like Maddie outside.
Oh, fuck, Manny. Dirty slut. Meh. Meh. Yeah, you're gonna hook 'em on you like this. Overtake that car.
Hey Maddie, wake up, man! You nearly took me out in that car, the white car. Holy shit! Wait there, there's bushes in the way.
You need a bit more power.
Oh, I can see you. Those pants look good.
Yeah, I got Mum knitted them for me.
Look at that, round the corner like Mick Doohan.
You catching up, are you?
Yeah, slow down, you bastard. We're not going to the tavern, it's only 7 in the morning.
Yeah, well, you gotta keep up, mate, if you wanna get to where we're gonna go.
Look, there's water there.
Is it just me, or can you hear that twang twang music?
I'm out of here.
So we're gonna stop just up here. Don't you know who I am, man? I'm the second in charge. We're gonna go straight through. Fuck off. Wow, man, that looks a bit like your cave at home, Tommy.
Yeah, but Millie's not running around with peanut butter all over her pussy.
But how close is that ship out the back there?
Oh, you're talking jive, man.
I can't wait to go in these tunnels. Tommy, just don't get too close to me, right?
Oh, this is cool down here. What's going on through here?
Well, this is where the dirt bike Cowboys live, mate.
The who?
The dirt bike Cowboys. You're the president, remember?
Oh, yeah, but I don't have my dog with me today. Look at that. G'day, Tommy.
Yeah, there's plenty of them around.
Alright, well, we'll just park him through here. I don't know how we're going to get out of here.
I hate how they always have the camera over grates.
Oh, look at that. That's my old bike.
There's some nice bikes here. Not as good as the old Yamaha 620.
Yeah, DT250 there, mate. Yeah, okay, let's jump off here. Look at me, my leathers. Want my pants? Look at the little belt.
That's a pretty bad helmet you got on, Tommy.
Oh, but look at your star, mate.
Look at those gloves.